All hair and fibers found in the car belonged either to the victim's family members who also drove the car, or the defendant.
The defendant?
Yes. Several strands of hair found on the victim or in her car match the samples taken from Brian Latham. We also found slight skin fragments under her fingernails that were an identical genetic match with the defendant.
You have an established foundation for this witness to give DNA evidence.
In the spirit of cooperation, we'll stipulate that the hair, skin, and clothing fibers probably came from my client. Well, this all happened during a brief wrestling match where my client unsuccessfully tried for sex.
Move to strike.
Sustained. The jury will disregard defense counsel's last statement. Move on.
What other evidence did you find, Deputy?
The only tire tracks leading to the pond were those of the victim's car, meaning whoever committed the murder probably drove in the victim's car to the swamp, dumped the body, then drove the car back to where it was discovered the following morning on Prospect Road.
And did you find any footprints at the pond site?
We did. And they matched the shoes being worn by the defendant at the time we arrested him.
And were there any other prints to suggest that someone else had been around?
No, there were not.
And were there any hairs or fibers found on the person of the victim that did not come from either the victim or the defendant?
No, there were not.
Thank you, Deputy. I have nothing further.
When you arrested my client, you checked his person, his truck, and motel room for physical evidence, didn't you?
Yes.
Did you find any?
No.
Nothing? Not even a spattering of blood? Not anything?
No.
You never found a murder weapon?
No, we did not.
Eyewitnesses?
No.
What a thing. Before Susan Engrens left the house on the night of question, do you know what happened?
She was involved in an argument with her parents.
An angry argument, according to the statement that they made to the police. And you say you found their hair and fibers in her car. Maybe they found her and killed her.
Objection.
Counsel.
It's just a theory, I know. Did you explore this possibility, Deputy Stewart?
No, we did not.
Why not?
There was no evidence indicating any involvement by the parents.
You didn't even consider that it could be anybody else, did you, Deputy?
All the evidence pointed to him.
All the evidence you bothered to collect. Under oath, Deputy Stewart, there's been a lot of public pressure for you to solve this crime, hasn't there?
Public hysteria does not compromise our investigations.
I again remind you that you are under oath. When you interrogated Brian Latham, did you say to him, you won't get a fair trial. Somebody's going to pay for what happened to this girl. If you're the only suspect we offer up, then it'll be you, whether you're innocent or not. Did you say that, Deputy?
That was in the context of an interrogation.
He told you he was innocent. And you responded, it doesn't matter. Somebody has to be blamed. And then you said, we're the cops. We can do anything we want.
We were doing a good cop, bad cop thing.
You said it, didn't you?
Yes, but you don't understand.
Thank you. But I think I do.